This question asks, which scenario is more likely to be true? Is it A, where we have 1 fruit on the left-hand side and 3 on the other side of this fulcrum? Is it B, where we have the opposite? We have 3 on the left-hand side and 1 on the right-hand side of the same fulcrum in the same position? Or is it C, neither is likely to be true? So again, in A, we have 1 fruit on the left-hand side of the fulcrum and 3 on the right. Now, we can use 1 fruit as essentially a standard unit of weight. So that means we can call what's to the left of the fulcrum in A simply W, and to the right of the fulcrum, we can say it weighs 3W. Likewise, we can do the same labeling in B, but it's essentially the opposite, where we have 3W on the left and simply W on the right. Now let's consider what's going on here. Both weights will be exerting a downward force. So that's true for all 4 instances of weight on either side of both fulcrums. Now in A, we have the larger of the weight on the right, but we see we have this longer moment arm. So we have a larger moment generated by the longer moment arm with a greater weight. So this is very unlikely to be true. Now in B, we have something a lot more sensible, because this larger weight has a much smaller moment arm compared to the smaller weight, which has a much larger moment arm. So in B, this is sensible, because the closer you are, the smaller the moment arm, and therefore the smaller the moment. So the additional weight to the left is compensated by the smaller moment, and the smaller weight on the right is compensated by the longer moment. And therefore, B is much more likely to be true.